If you're looking to buy a home anytime soon, Americans should be aware that there are going to be some changes to mortgage fee structures. The Federal Housing Finance Agency, FHFA, they decided they wanted to look at all of their fees, which they haven't done in maybe at least a decade. And one of the changes they're making on May 1st is that they are going to change the fees based on your credit score and how much you put on a down payment or your loan amount. They are only applied to the loans that are guaranteed by Freddie Mac or Fannie Mae. And that is actually ends up being most of the loans out there for home mortgages. But there aren't explicit rules, and it kind of differs from kind of group to group. But what's going to happen is, out of some complicated calculations, some people with higher credit scores may end up paying more fees than they normally would, while people with lower credit scores may see their fees decrease. These fee structures haven't been looked at or changed in, 10 years or more. And so they decided that this was a good time to kind of take a look at it with the market being so volatile lately. I mean, we saw soaring home prices during the pandemic, and now they're coming off as interest rates rise. And so they thought that they would take a look at these, and they decided that at looking at them, they wanted to make things more equitable, because things had become so unaffordable for so many people. And at the same time, they wanted to also make sure that Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae could shore up their balance sheets to weather any storm that might come. But there is a change that they plan to go into effect on August 1. And this one is going to be a fee based on debt to income ratio. So keep an eye on that one. And then, of course, we have our normal changes to mortgages, not in the fees, but just in interest rates. The Fed is still expected to raise rates, and the cost of our loans will continue going up from that.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.